Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by ensuring prerequisites are already met. Your iPhone and Chromecast must share the same Wi-Fi network, and the Chromecast is powered and set to the TV's HDMI input. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open the app you want to cast from. Most streaming apps include casting support. Make sure the app is updated so the cast icon appears. You're starting the process now because having the network and device visible is what lets your iPhone discover and connect to Chromecast. Now tap the cast icon inside the app. It looks like a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves, and you'll see a list of available devices. Select your Chromecast by name. Your iPhone sends control commands while the Chromecast plays the media directly, which saves battery and keeps playback smooth. Once selected, pick the video or audio you want and press play. You can pause, skip, or adjust volume from the app. Make sure to keep the app open or use Control Center controls for quick access. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop Casting or Disconnect from Control Center. That cleanly releases the Chromecast. If you want to adjust settings or update firmware, open the Google Home app. It's where you rename the device, change Wi-Fi, and see online status. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fix first. Reboot your router, then your iPhone, then the Chromecast. That refresh often resolves discovery and network hiccups because it reestablishes IP leases and clears transient errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.